Hi, this is Harjot and welcome to Unboxers for the unboxing video of Lenovo A6000. At the top is the Lenovo branding and at the bottom is the model number. So it comes in a very good packaging. Nothing to the sides. At the back are some details regarding import and manufacture and the smartphone specifications. So without further ado, let's use our loyal kitchen knife and see what all we get inside. First thing inside the box is the smartphone itself. Let's keep it aside for the time being. Further going inside the box, we have the documentation, the quick start guide, the warranty statement and some other documentation. A screen protector, which is always a good thing. It is a 2300 mAh battery. Further inside the box, we get a standard pair of headphones which are not in ear style, and also 3.5mm head is not gold plated. Next thing is the wall charger. It's a 1 ampere charger with USB port for charging and has Lenovo branding. A USB to micro USB cable for charging and data syncing. We have a closer look at the phone. At the right hand side is the power button and the volume rockers. At the top is the micro USB port for charging and data syncing and a 3.5mm headphone jack. At the chin of the phone are the 3 touch capacitive buttons and a microphone pinhole at the bottom. At the back of the phone to the bottom are the Dolby stereo speakers, the Lenovo branding and an 8 megapixel autofocus camera with flash and secondary noise cancelling microphone. It comes with dual SIM LTE support. While we pop in the battery, let's talk about the hardware. We have a Qualcomm Snapdragon 64-bit 1.2 GHz quad-core processor, a 5-inch HD 1280 by 720p IPS LCD display, 1 GB of RAM and 8 GB of internal storage, and 32 GB expandability via micro SD card. It also has a 2 megapixel front camera and an 8 megapixel rear autofocus camera with LED flash. Powering on the device, and we are treated with the Lenovo logo. Let's quickly set up our Wi-Fi network and have a first glance on the screen. It comes with Android KitKat preloaded with Viber UI on top. The UI is pretty similar to Apple's iOS. Thanks for watching. Hope you liked the video. Do leave your suggestions in the comment section below. And like us on Facebook. And don't forget to subscribe my channel Unboxers.